Yeah, bro, what are the fucking odds? Alright, so, I just got out of this trade at break even. I low-key just revenge traded my money back, so it's these two trades right here. I had my trailed stop loss at $10, but because of slippage, whatever. So, originally, so I was asleep, right? So let's full screen this. I wanted this. I wanted this 15-minute rejection block that filled, I'm pretty sure it filled a 15-minute gap, if I'm not mistaken. There's a lot going on here. Yeah, so it filled this 15-minute gap, and it's around the 705 on the fib of this range. So that's what I wanted, but I didn't want to leave the limit just in case we went lower. You know what I mean? But I took a nap. I woke up, and we were reacting to the level, so I kind of entry triggered the 1800 key open. Yeah, this is insane. Of course, as soon as I get out, then, get the fuck out of here. As soon as I get out, then it wants to dump for real. But it is what it is. I'm not going to revenge trade. So yeah, I had my TP set at a 1 to 4. I should have just taken it to this gap fill. I just don't. I need to just start taking, like setting my TPs at levels instead of dollar amounts. Because that's how I get fucked. It always happens, but whatever. It's a 2 tick difference too, but whatever. So that was my original TP, and then I got in again at 1800, at the 1800 key open, because it aligns with the 705 on the fib of that dump range. Yeah, if I would have gotten in up at the 15-minute wick, I would have made $1,000 if I'd taken it to the 15-minute gap fill, which then I probably would have. But here where I got in, I went break even here. This come back up kind of scared me. But then we dumped back down, and I should have just taken it here, but I'm just gonna keep repeating myself. It is what it is. I didn't lose money technically. Depends how you look at it, but yeah. Yeah. Alright. So my body woke me up in perfect time. But I got out break even. This is kind of rough. I'm not listening to myself when I say I need to stop being greedy. I could have walked out with the band. I wanted 1200, but like I just said, I was greedy. And yeah, so this is really just the weekly wick. Like, that's really it. It's hard to see here, but weekly wick. It's in a good range on the fib. Yeah. That's about it. I wanted to see a super strong reaction, to be honest, and we're getting that right now. Yeah. Got out break even. I had a limit set overnight, that's why I'm down 500 now, but hopefully I can make that shit back. Alright, I need to go to sleep. This is another valid setup to me. So this white line is a 4-hour gap fill, and I took the CE of the 15-minute wick because it closed. I just like the way it closed. It closed bullish. I took it with a 10-point stop, even though I probably should have taken it with a 15 to cover the whole thing. Yeah, that would have covered most of it, but I took it with a 10-point stop. That puts me up about $400 after this trade. Holy shit, this video is going to be a little long. Um, but yeah, I pretty much got a perfect reaction, as you can see. Perfect tap. Went straight to TP pretty much. Very little retracements. This will probably be low of day-ish. I won't be upset if I will be upset if I missed out on quite a bit of money, but what can I do? I got my piece of the pie, but I need to go to sleep.